Leaks of Samsung's upcoming smartphones and screenshots of the next version of One UI running on these devices are rare, but that's exactly what has surfaced this time. Images of the Galaxy S25 Ultra paired with screenshots of One UI 7.0 based on Android 15 from the same device were shared on Reddit by user GamingMK as reported by Android Authority. While we had an early look at One UI 7.0 on a Galaxy S24 Ultra in October, offering a glimpse of its features, it's exciting to see how this major software update will appear on Samsung's next flagship model. Here's the first official hands-on video of the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. The video posted on Reddit is titled Galaxy S24 Ultra Definitely, but the device shown features the rumored rounded corner design of the Galaxy S25 Ultra. This leak has been confirmed by the well-known tipster Ice Universe on X, who verified that the device in the clip is indeed the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Another prominent leaker, ChunVN888, has also confirmed that the phone shown is the real Galaxy S25 Ultra. The leaked Galaxy S25 Ultra unit, which appears to have a glossy metallic finish, has noticeably rounded corners, contrasting with the sharper edges of the Galaxy S24 Ultra. The phone's signature camera setup is visible on the back, but curiously, the rumored camera rings surrounding the lenses are not present. Recent leaks from Technizo Concept chase the Galaxy S25 Ultra in 4 striking color options: titanium gray, titanium black, titanium blue, and titanium silver. Although no official photos of the device have surfaced, a new leak provides a closer look through dummy unit images shared on X by @JukenLosRay. These images offer a fairly accurate preview of the S25 Ultra's design, dummy units versus real device. Interestingly, @MaxJambi has commented that the dummy units look horrible compared to the real product and confirmed differences in the camera ring design. While these dummy units suggest design elements such as a flat frame and slightly rounder corners, resembling a square version of the Galaxy S24 base and Plus models, they may not fully represent the final product. Design highlights. The Galaxy S25 Ultra appears to feature a flat display without curved edges, along with a camera setup reminiscent of the S24 Ultra. However, earlier rumors suggested that the S25 Ultra's camera rings would adopt the ridged design seen on the Galaxy Z Fold 6. This detail is missing in the dummy images, raising questions about their accuracy or the validity of previous reports. Color and technology. Features. The dummy units might have revealed a glimpse of what 2 Galaxy S25 Ultra colors will look like in real life. Additionally, tipster JukenLosRay has claimed that the Galaxy S25 series will include Qualcomm's Adreno Frame Motion Engine AFME 2.0 technology. This feature could elevate gaming experiences by interpolating frame rates, enabling games locked at 60 Hz or 60 FPS to run smoothly at 120 Hz or 120 FPS. While these leaks provide valuable insights into the Galaxy S25 Ultra, finer details about its design and features remain speculative until official confirmations or more accurate leaks emerge. Thanks for watching. If you found this breakdown of the Galaxy S25 Ultra leaks interesting, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest tech. Stay tuned for more exciting reveals. See you in the next video.